This video is sponsored by Blender's Eyewear.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain.
So I've always wanted a Klein. When I came across this one at the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective, I thought I had to have this, and I wanted to see what I could do with it, with mostly parts from the collective itself. And that's what you'll see on this build. The one thing that worried me about it, though, was the internal cable routing. The cable routing is set up with cable stops so that just the cable itself goes through the frame, and those cable stops are metallic, which is going to make it difficult for the Park Tool internal cable routing kit that I have, because it's magnetic. To be able to thread from one end to the other just the cable through the frame is going to be difficult. Before we get into the build, I wanted to talk a little bit about our sponsor today, Blender's Eyewear. I have a few pairs of Blender sunglasses, and I'm really impressed with their quality and durability and the variety of styles that they have as a company, and truly they're priced to party. They also, in a lot of their frames, you can get their frames for prescription lenses also. I typically wear contacts, but I do have a few pairs of glasses, and I'll probably be checking them out for one of my next sets of prescription lenses. This winter, also with the additional fat biking I've been doing out in the snow, it's really awesome to have a pair of Blender's goggles. The cool thing that I like about the Blender's goggles is that they have interchangeable lenses. So on those cold early mornings, like this morning when I went out for my ride, it was 12 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Super cold. I like to have that full coverage, and with their clear lens, I can go out in the early morning before the sun is too bright and still be able to see really well. And then later in the day, as things start to get brighter, I can swap them out and protect both my face and my eyes from the reflection of the snow. So if you're interested in picking up some Blender's eyewear, I'll have a link in the description below. Also, you can use the code oldshovel VIP to get 15% off.
wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day.
This was a fun build to do, to pick up this awesome Klein frame from the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective, and then to build it up with parts either that I had or that I picked up there also. I think it turned out great, coming in at just around 24 pounds. These Klein frames, though, I feel like deserve a real lightweight build, so I don't think I'm done. I'm going to see what I can do to go even lighter and maybe even a little better. I'd like to also thank the sponsor for this video, Blenders Eyewear. Be sure to go to blenderseyewear.com and use code oldshovelvip to get 15% off. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not